Can y'all tell what's different? Can you? No 25mm lashes. Wah, wah. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Rudy Tate. So in my last video, I did a tutorial on how to blend your eyeshadow because a lot of people ask me that question. But when I finished, you know, I got off camera for a little bit, did my eyeliner, did my lashes, because I feel like this fits with the look that I'm wanting to show y'all today. So we're doing a how to look radiant and glowy look. Before we jump in, make sure to
subscribe.
I gave y'all the nice Rudy. Now y'all got the aggressive Rudy. So make sure to subscribe, okay? It's not that hard to do. All right, let's jump into this video. Now, before anything, you need to make sure you do your skincare regimen. I don't care if you have the perfect skin in the world. You need to do your skincare regimen. I don't want to hear it. So usually when you want dewy or radiant, you want to use something like a dewy primer. So instead of using my Fenty primer, I'm using my Cover FX dewy primer. I have not used this in forever. Oh no, it was leaking.
Unfortunate.
So you want to start with that. So as y'all can tell, a little will take you a long way. Like an extremely long way. So even if you do seem a little bit too dewy, you can always just tap your face. Make sure you rub upwards because you don't want to drag down and give yourself wrinkles and saggy skin. Now what I usually use, as y'all have seen before, I use my Cover FX drops. And Cover FX is a really good brand, y'all. Like if you're trying to be on that radiant dewy look, that's the brand that you need to be looking into. Okay, so you have your drops on the back of your hand, and I'll just put it on my cheekbone so that I won't have to do as much with the powder highlighter. And then I'll just take whatever I have extra of and just bring it under my eyes. And whatever I have on my sponge, I'll just distribute everywhere else. Now we're gonna go with my NARS Sheer Glow Foundation because, you know, we're just going for that radiant look. So you gotta use some radiant product. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. And then spray my brush. And then just blend away. And I feel like the amount that I put on my face is perfect, but I'm still going to just add a little bit more in areas that I feel like still need a little bit more coverage. Now you see I'm already very radiant, which is great. They do also have radiant primers as well so that you won't have to use drops like that, but me preferably, I think I like the drops a little more. So I thought I was going to use my Cover FX concealer, but instead I'm going to use my Pretty Vulgar. This is what I used in my BoxyCharm review for January, and we're just going to do it in all the areas I want to highlight. I love the applicator, so amazing. And it's gonna just melt right into the skin, which I love. I might put this one on and then put on the Cover FX on top just so it's a little bit brighter, just a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna get a little bit of the concealer from Cover FX just to brighten it just a little bit under the eyes. You want to make sure you get something that's hydrating. You don't want matte, because if you get matte, then you're not going to look radiant. And if you're on the oilier side, that's when you go get a matte primer. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this brush first. I'm gonna spray it with my setting spray. And we're just going to pet that sucker in. We do want to keep this look very radiant, very dewy, so I'm not going to set under my eyes. I should be pretty good with as much setting spray as I sprayed on my face. Do want to contour a little bit, but I'm not going to do any heavy contouring. So we're just going to use my powder and go in the areas that I want to contour. So now we'll go with my Juvia's Place pink highlighter blush. And then we'll go in with my highlighter by Juvia's Place as well. And then we set. All right, you guys, and this is how I get my radiant, glowy, hydrated look. I hope y'all really love the look, and if you didn't,
Bye.
But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You better press that button. But thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to show some love. And if you live in the Houston, Sugar Land, Missouri City, Richmond, Rosenberg area, I am offering wax services, and I'm also offering $20 full face makeup. So if you are interested, you can always message me. You can follow me on Instagram and message me through there, or you can always just comment below if you're interested, and we can go from there. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.